Veronica here. Today we're going to talk about hard and soft limits in kink and BDSM, what they're all about, and then how to figure out what your hard and soft limits are after the introduction. Alright, so this is the first time we are meeting. Welcome to my channel, and on this channel you're going to find tips and tricks on how to explore kink and BDSM in a fun and really accessible way. Okay, so let's start with limits in general. Limits in BDSM and kink are here to ultimately keep you safe, protected, and respected so that you feel safe and confident, trusting not only yourself, but the people that you experience this with, doing whatever it is that you want to do in the kink and BDSM realm. So that being said, let's start with the more obvious one. Hard limits. So things that fall into the hard limit category means that you absolutely do not want to explore this or even touch it with a 10-foot pole. So it doesn't mean that whatever's in your hard limit category is going to stay there forever. It just means that right here, right now, you are absolutely not going to want to try this. Now, that being said, it could change tomorrow. You could absolutely possibly try it, but as of today or right now, in this discussion negotiation between you and your partners, it is an absolute no. Pretty black and white. And most importantly, people need to respect that. If they try to convince you or try to tell you that it's not really a hard limit to you, or that, you should just suck it up or buck up and try it because you aren't a true kinkster or you aren't truly kinky if you don't want to do it, then those people need to be out of your life immediately. That means that they're not here to respect you, and they're not here to think about your best interests, but instead focusing on what they want, and that is not okay. So soft limits, on the other hand, are a little more gray. How many shades of gray? I have no idea, but I just had to throw that in there. Meaning it's not something that you really want to do because either you had a bad experience, or maybe it's triggering, or it was painful, or it just looks scary. Whatever it is, your reasons are valid, but it doesn't mean it's a hard no, like the hard limits are. It just means you're not sure, and this is something that requires a lot of discussion and a lot of negotiation. Like the hard limits, soft limits can change. Perhaps today you're just okay discussing it, that possibly whatever it is that's on the soft limits list you don't want to do today, but maybe the next time you guys play, it's on the table again, up for discussion. Again, this is all about what makes you feel confident and comfortable, because if you don't feel comfortable with the people that you're exploring this with, and like the people are not going to respect you, you're not going to have a great experience whatsoever. And in your mind, it's just going to create a whole bunch of like doubt and worry and fear. And that's not what we want in kink. Yes, there's fear play and gets you all scary and all that, because I thrive off of that myself, so I totally get it. But it's a different kind of fear, So now that you know the difference between hard and soft limits, you can even use it towards your DS discussions with your partners in kink. So check out that video. And if you're not sure what's considered a hard or soft limit to you, or what's out there, I've included a checklist as a go-to guide for this video, and if you click on the link below, you'll be taken to my Kink Insiders membership site for free. If you found this video helpful, give me a thumbs up or leave a comment in this video telling me what are some hard and soft limits that are coming up for you. I'd love to know, and share it with somebody that you know would need this video or find it helpful. That's all I got for you this time. Thanks for watching. I'm Veronica Yans, and I will see you in the next video. Happy kinking!